EMOORE food connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Happy Sunday, foodie fam. I hope you all have an amazing day. Today we are doing a taste test of these two chips. One, tortilla, the Doritos, sweet and tangy barbecue. The other one is Cape Cod, sweet mystique barbecue. They never had them before, so it piqued my attention. We're gonna go in and see if there are actually barbecue flavors, tangy, bold barbecue flavors in the Dorito, and the mystique barbecue in the Cape Cod. Cape Cod is a brand that I just noticed that it popped up on the scene. I don't know exactly when, but it looks different on the bag. I love the picture. That good old lighthouse right there. I love scenery like this. This means good fishing and good fish. So I'm going to give you my thoughts, my opinions, and my ratings about both of these chips. Do I actually get a barbecue taste out of them? Or is it just that plain old Dorito taste? The crispiness of the chip, the flavor of the chip, and if it's a good chip altogether. So first we're gonna go get involved with the Cape Cod. Who hasn't had Doritos before? So, never had these. I'll let you see a few. So you do see the barbecue flavoring on there. There's definitely a barbecue flavor on it. It tastes more like a baked chip instead of a natural potato chip like a Hers and Lay's. Nice crunch to it. Nice and crispy. Nice and flavorful. That crunch is attractive. So, let me cleanse the palate, get that taste out, so I can get ready for the Doritos. Oh, before that, let's talk about the chip. My thoughts are, it's a nice light barbecue taste to it. It could use a little bit more barbecue taste to it. So with that being said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 6. Now this one. Try a few more. You see it. Oops. Try another one. Butterfingers. All right, one more. I'm explaining to you what I got here. It's a good Dorito chip. Am I getting tanginess like a barbecue flavor? I'm getting tanginess, but I'm not getting yes, I'm getting sweet. Yes, I'm getting tangy. But no, I'm not getting barbecue. It's a good beefed up Dorito chip. It's different than your normal taste of Doritos. It's a very delicious, new tasting Dorito chip with a little bit of tanginess to it. But I'm not getting that BBQ taste to it. So, when you're displaying something on the bag, I'm rating you on what you're displaying on the bag. I'll let you see the bag again. Sweet, see it? Sweet, tangy, BBQ. Maybe I got a wrong kind of chip. I'll go on for one more. Like I said, I'm getting sweet and tangy, but I'm not getting that barbecue taste. So, with that being said, for the Dorito BBQ tangy and sweet chip, I would give it a 1. Yes, it is a delicious chip. Don't get me wrong. It's different than your traditional taste of your Doritos. Doritos has several different brands of chips now. My go-to is the one in the purple bag. That sweet but spicy, tangy flavor. It has all of those on the flavor profile that is displayed on the bag. This right here, no, it doesn't. So, would I get the chip again? Yes, I would, but I know how it tastes now, so I know what I'm expecting. On the front end, you're getting the Dorito taste to it. On the back end, you're getting the tanginess to it, but you're not getting no hint of barbecue whatsoever in this chip. All right. You know, sometimes you need a taster to taste that flavor before you decide to put it in your chip if you can't get that flavor yourself. Yeah, it's a potato chip, but we want what you display on the bag. Que sera, sera. All right, y'all. Now I'm going to take them inside and I'm going to enjoy them watching a movie or something because football is over. The football blues. Singing them old football blues and going in probably on the NFL network and watching some of them old games from the past until football comes back again. That's what I'm going through. I don't know about y'all that watch football, but me, I can't wait till football season start again. The fight of the game, baby. All right, y'all. Remember, every day you get to take that breath, you get to open those eyes up. It's a gift from God, baby. You will see me very soon on my next review. Until then, EMOORE, food connoisseur. I'm out, baby.